So here I am again with a wintry tale. Yes, you heard it right. The chilly little penguin. Yes, it's a story about a penguin. So, Parry the penguin has a very special reason for wanting to get warm. Can he find a way to take the chill off his frosty feathers? Let's see in the story itself. Here we go. Once there was a little penguin called Parry. Parry and his family lived at the South Pole. It was always very cold. Brrr. One day, Parry found a box. He saw something yummy inside, but he was too cold to eat it. Parry went to see his grandpa. I need to get warm, Grandpa, he said. Try skating, said Grandpa. That will warm you up. Okay. Parry went to the frozen lake. He skated up and down, woo, and round and round, wee. He skated all morning. Are you warm now? No, said Parry. Parry went to see his grandma. I need to get warm, Grandma, he said. Try swimming, said Grandma. That will warm you up. Okay. Parry dived into the water. Splash! He swam up and down, woo, and round, wee. He swam all afternoon. Are you warm now? No, said Parry. Parry went to see his sister Pippi. I need to get warm, Pippi, he said. Try sliding down the hill, said Pippi. That will warm you up. Okay. Parry went to the top of the hill. He slid all the way down, woo, and round, wee. He slid around all evening. Are you warm now? Everyone asked. Yes, I'm boiling, said Parry. He opened the box. Now I can enjoy this ice cream, he said. Ah, lovely and cool. Oh, Parry. So, ice cream, you scream. We all scream for ice cream. Enjoy ice cream.